Is my furnace heating evenly? Uneven heating in your home can be frustrating, especially during colder months. If you're wondering whether your furnace is heating evenly, here are key points to consider and steps to take. Signs your furnace may not be heating evenly. Cold spots in certain rooms. Some areas of your home feel significantly cooler than others. Inconsistent airflow. Vents in some rooms blow warm air more strongly than others. Higher energy bills. Uneven heating may cause your furnace to work harder, driving up costs. Thermostat reading doesn't match comfort level. If your thermostat says one temperature but certain rooms feel colder, this could signal an issue. Common causes of uneven heating. Dirty air filters. Blocked filters restrict airflow, causing uneven distribution of warm air. Leaky ductwork. Cracks or holes in your duct system can lead to heat loss before air reaches specific rooms. Incorrectly sized furnace. A furnace that's too small or too large for your home struggles to maintain consistent temperatures. Thermostat placement issues. A thermostat in a location with temperature extremes like near a window can send inaccurate signals. Poor insulation. Drafty windows, doors, or poorly insulated walls can make rooms colder. Solutions for uneven heating. Check and replace air filters regularly. Clean filters improve airflow and efficiency. Seal and insulate ducts. Prevent heat loss with proper duct sealing and insulation. Balance airflow. Adjust the dampers in your duct system to direct more warm air to colder rooms. Schedule a furnace tune-up. Routine maintenance ensures your furnace operates efficiently. Upgrade your thermostat. Consider a programmable or smart thermostat for better temperature control. Add zoning systems. Zoning systems allow for independent temperature control in different areas of your home. When to call a professional. If you've tried the above steps and still experience uneven heating, it may be time to consult an HVAC technician. They can inspect your system, identify underlying issues, and recommend long-term solutions.